How to unlink your email and your phone number from PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek, and in today's video I'll show you how you can unlink your email and your phone number from PUBG. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to unlink your email and your phone number from PUBG, after you launch the game, you will see this kind of interface. Here from the very bottom right, you can see the little arrow icon. So just tap on this arrow button, and here you'll see this kind of interface. From the very top right hand side, you want to go to settings. Once you go to settings, if I just show you a little bit by zooming in, you'll be able to see that I have my current email address linked as well as my mobile number. So you can see email linked and you can see mobile link. You can see these two options over here relatively. And then if I want to actually go ahead and then unlink these things, what you need to do is there are some certain criteria. So if I tap on the change button next to this, it says that this device needs to be logged in 1 out of 15 days within 15 days in the past month, and then the email address has been linked for 0 to 7 days, which means it must be at least 7 days before you link your phone number or email address, and you are currently logged in with your email. So you want to make sure to log in with the email, not with your social media accounts. So when you fill in these criteria, only then you'll be able to log in. And it's the same for your phone number as well, because if I tap on the change button over here, you can see it'll give you that you are currently logged in with your phone number. If you want to actually unlink your phone number, you have to currently log in with your mobile number and then only unlink it in that way. But so if you want to unlink your email, you have to log in with email. If you want to unlink with mobile, you have to log in with your mobile in order to go ahead and then actually unlink this. And you also have to meet the above criteria as well. And hopefully after you fill in this criteria, when you tap on the change button, you have the option to totally unlink it or at least change it. And that's all it takes to unlink your email and phone number from your PUBG account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.